Hi there, welcome to another ArduPilot Methodic Configurator video. On this one, I'll show you how to import a bin file and then create an AMC project out of that and analyze the bin file for any misconfiguration or issues that you can have on your vehicle. So for that, all you need is to download the bin file from your ArduPilot vehicle into your hard drive, install ArduPilot Methodic Configurator as described on one of the other videos, and then you just start the software. Currently, the latest version is 4.3.3, and once you start it, it presents you with this interface, and you just select Create a Vehicle Project from a bin file log file. Now you're presented with the option to enter all the components for that vehicle. You can select here simple interface, and that removes a lot of the fields, and then you can fill up with the details of your vehicle. It pre-fills with the details that it reads from the bin file, but you can correct some stuff, like here the protocol. I want to activate protocol as being scripting is connected to 305, and I'm using that as telemetry source. And the diameter of the propellers you cannot guess, so you need to measure that yourself and enter it here. So once all that is done, please remember to change that back to normal. You don't want the oversimplified interface, and you just set save, and that's it. So you're now inside AMC with all your vehicle parameters imported and distributed over these 63 steps. Now click Analyze a bin log file, and you select your log file again, and it will analyze it. Analysis is only as good as the data in your log, so if your log does not have certain data, then it cannot guess, and it will tell you what you should change, what parameters you should change so that you can improve the data collection on your log, and what you should do to improve the log. So if you don't want to see this again and you fully understand it, click here, click I understand this, and it will go away. Next time it won't bother you again. So on this particular copter, there are some points that require attention. So GPS, the S-telemetry, there's some problems in there, and there are some checks that pass, like the battery. Here's the hardware overview, so where you can see what kind of gyros and barometers you have. So this is it. Have fun.